video, I will tell you how you can create your own reading corner in a small space. Let's start the video. I am Pallavi and welcome back to my channel Yashvi Multitaskers. The shelf you see was made by a local carpenter. First, I did self-dusting. After that, I started organizing all the books one by one. For a long time, I have been thinking of creating a reading corner for myself. I am putting everything one by one in its place. I have put such a show here as you are watching in the guitar video. I will also put a stool here to read and wait comfortably without the book. And add cushion also. Our bookshelf and reading corner are finally ready. I hope you enjoyed today's video and also subscribe our channel and don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching.